Bonjour tout le monde, comment allez-vous? J'espère que vous allez bien. Good morning all, how are you doing? Hope we are doing fine. Welcome back to Learn French with Awolowo Roots. In this video, we will explore rules and examples of forming the past participle of first group verb in French. C'est parti. The objective of this video is that in the end of the video, learners should be able to make use of past participle of first group verb in French. First group verb end with ER and their past participle is so simple, very simple. So let's look at the past participle of some verb in French. The first verb we are going to see here is regarder. Regarder means to look. So the past participle of regarder is regarder. It's the same pronunciation, regarder, regarder. But the ER of the initial verb return to E with mark on top. So we have regarder, regarder. The first regarder, which is to look, and the second regarder means to looked. So you are changing ER to E with mark on top. Tomber. Tomber means to fall down. The past participle of tomber is tomber. The second tomber means falling. The first one, tomber with ER, is to fall. The next verb is visiter. Visiter means to visit. The past participle of visiter is visiter. The second visiter means visited. So visited is the past participle of to visit. Here we have enseigner. Enseigner is to teach. The past participle of enseigner is enseigner. The ER change to E with mark. So enseigner with E means taught. Nager. Nager is to swim. The past participle of nager is nager, which is swim. Let's continue. The next verb is marcher. Marcher is to walk. The past participle of marcher is marcher with E and the end of marcher. So the second marcher means walked. The next one is monter. Monter is to climb. The past participle of monter is monter. Monter with mark on top of E. So the second monter will not be to climbed. The next verb is laver, to wash. The past participle of laver is laver. The second laver means washed. The next verb is entrer. Entrer is to enter. The past participle of entrer is entré. The second entré is entered. We have fermer. Fermer is to close. The past participle of fermer is fermé, which is closed. The next one is trouver. Trouver is to find. The past participle of trouver is trouvé. The second trouver means to found. The next verb is goûter. Goûter is to taste. The past participle of goûter is goûter, which is tasted. We have penser. Penser is to think. The past participle of penser is thought. On continue. Manger. Manger is to eat. The past participle of manger is manger, which is eating. Danser. Danser is to dance. The past participle of danser is danser, which is danced. The next verb is jouer. Jouer is to play. The past participle of jouer is jouer. And the second jouer means played. We have here chanter. Chanter is to sing. The past participle of chanter is chanter, which is sang. The last verb for today is soulever. Soulever is to carry. The past participle of soulever is carried. So it's time to test our knowledge. Are you ready for the quiz? So by the end of the quiz, you will know either you understood the video or not. Okay, so the first question is, what is the past participle of regarder? To look. A, regarder. B, regarder. C, regarder. D, regarder. What is the past participle of regarder? So the answer is A, regarder. The one that ends with E on, and there is a mark on top of the E. Number 2, what is the past participle of tomber, to fall? A, tomber. B, tomber. C, tomber. D, tombis. The answer is tomber, B. It can be B or A. So if you pick A or B, you are right. The next one is, what is the past participle of visiter? A, visiter. B, visiter. C, visiter. D, visiter. So what is your answer? The answer for number 3 is A, visiter. The next one is, what is the past participle of enseigner, to teach? A, enseigner. B, enseigner. C, enseigner. D, enseigner. What is your final answer? The answer is A, enseigner. The next one, number 5, is, what is the past participle of nager, to swim? A, nager. B, nager. C, nager. D, nager. What is your answer? The answer for this question is A. The next one is, what is the past participle of marcher, to walk? A, marcher. B, marcher. C, marcher. D, marcher. So what is your answer? The answer of this question is A, marcher. Number 7, what is the past participle of monter? Monter is to climb. A, is it A, B, C, D? What is your answer? The answer is A. Good. Let's continue. Number 8, what the past participle of laver, which is to wash? A, laver. B, laver with double E. C, lavere. D, laver. What is the right answer? The right answer is A. On continue. Wow. What the past participle of entrer, to enter? Is it entrer with one E, or entrer with double E, or entrer or on 3? The answer is A. So what's the past participle of fermer, to close? What is the answer here? The answer is A. What is the past participle of trouver? A. Trouver, B. Trouver, C. Trouvere, D. Trouver. The answer is A. What is the past participle of trouver? We done it. What is the past participle of goûter, to taste? A. Goûter, B. Goûter, C. Goûtere, D. Goûtise. The answer is A. So if you look at it very well, you see that the answer for all the questions are A. So remember, past participle of first group end with E. Sorry, end with E with mark. So that is how to identify them. So the question is actually from 1 to 20. So I will just stop here so that the video will not be too long. And all the question, their answers is letter A. So that is all for today. Et voilà, you know how to form the past participle of first group verb in French. Practice makes perfect. So be sure to practice them and use them very well. And by making use of them daily, you will see that you will master them. Merci beaucoup for watching the video. See you next time. Au revoir. À bientôt.